Find the area of the region bounded by the curves x equals y squared and x equals 8 minus y squared. Okay, the graph x equals y squared is here. So this is x equals y squared, opening to the right, x equals y squared, and x equals 8 minus y squared, that's opening to the left. So x equals 8 minus y squared. Now the question is how to graph these two curves. So we can do the following. To graph x equals y squared, we can write in this way: x equals y squared, which is same as y squared equals x. So take square root both sides, then y equals square root of x, but we don't know whether it's positive or negative, so we need to put plus minus. So we graph two functions, y equals positive square root of x and y equals negative square root of x, to get the graph of x equals y squared. And next we have x equals 8 minus y squared. Let's solve for y squared. Bring to the left side, 8 minus x. Now take square root both sides. Then we have absolute value here, like here absolute value, and when we get rid of absolute value we get plus minus square root of 8 minus x. Now we graph two functions, y equals square root of 8 minus x and y equals negative square root of 8 minus x. Then we get this graph. Okay, now we are trying to find the area bounded by these two curves. Let me note that area. We have some area above the x-axis and below the x-axis, and these two areas are identical, so we will just find the area above the x-axis and multiply by 2. Since the curves are given in terms of y, so we need to look at y-axis, where to where. So we draw a sample cross section here. Okay, and it if we just look at above the x-axis, it can go anywhere from 0 through, here's the point of intersection, so 2, and we find this area, multiply by 2, and we get the whole area. Or we can always go from here, negative 2 to 2, then just this right curve minus left curve, and integrate from negative 2 to 2, same thing. But I would just like to find the area of the top part. Okay, that's area. Total area will be then 2 times this top area, that is given from in terms of y, 0 to 2. Right curve, this curve opening to the left, so right curve is 8 minus y squared minus left curve. Left curve is x equals y squared, so y squared, everything in terms of y, that's 2 times 0 to 2, 8. We can combine these two terms, minus y squared minus 2y squared dy. Let's integrate. Antiderivative of 8 is 8y minus 2. Antiderivative of y square is y3 over 3, and we go from 0 through 2. So 2, let's plug in upper limit, 8 times 2, 16 minus 2 times 2 cubed. 2 cubed is 8. 8 times 2, 16 thirds. That's the upper limit part, minus, plug in 0, 0, so that's lower limit. So 2, this is 0, 16 minus 16 thirds. Okay, 16 thirds. 16 is in fact 48 thirds. 48 thirds minus 16 thirds, so 32 thirds. Okay, you can subtract 16 thirds from 16, 32 thirds, and multiply 2 times 32, 64 thirds. You can write down whole number, but this should be it, square units, because we are finding the area. Final